Hey there, hair care lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own leave-in conditioner at home. It's super easy, affordable, and best of all, it's packed with natural ingredients that'll leave your hair soft, shiny, and oh so manageable. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of distilled water. This acts as the base for your conditioner. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It's fantastic for providing moisture and soothing your scalp. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or argan oil. Both add hydration and shine. 1 teaspoon of glycerin, which is optional but helps retain moisture. 1 teaspoon of leave-in conditioner or light conditioner, also optional for added conditioning properties. 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Think lavender, rosemary, or tea tree for fragrance and additional hair benefits. And finally, a spray bottle for easy application. All right, let's get mixing. In a small bowl or measuring cup, combine your distilled water, aloe vera gel, and coconut or argan oil. If you're using glycerin and a light conditioner, add those in too. Stir it all up until everything is well combined. Next, add your essential oils. Pick your favorite scent and add 5 to 10 drops. Stir well to make sure the oils are evenly distributed. Now, grab your spray bottle and a funnel. Carefully pour the mixture into the spray bottle. Give it a good shake to mix all the ingredients together. When it comes to application, spray the leave-in conditioner on damp, freshly washed hair. Focus on the ends and avoid the roots to prevent greasiness. Comb through your hair to distribute the product evenly. Then style your hair as usual. Whether you air dry or use heat tools, this leave-in conditioner will keep your hair hydrated, smooth, and manageable. Last but not least, storage. Keep your DIY leave-in conditioner in a cool, dark place. Shake the bottle before each use because natural ingredients can separate over time. And there you have it. A simple, natural, and effective leave-in conditioner you can make right at home. Adjust the ingredients based on your hair type and personal preferences. Your hair will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome hair care tips and tricks. See you next time.